In this video, we listed the 5 best spin mops on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Foot-activated pedal spin mop. The EasyRing trademark spin mop and bucket system offers a convenient and efficient solution for achieving a thorough clean. With a foot-activated pedal and built-in bucket wringer, this system allows for hands-free wringing and controlled water release, making cleaning hassle-free. The telescopic handle and microfiber mop head ensure versatility and effectiveness in removing over 99% of bacteria with just water or your preferred floor cleaning solution. Designed to tackle tough messes on various surfaces, including pre-finished hardwood flooring and ceramic tile, this multi-purpose system provides a high level of cleanliness without the need for harsh chemicals. With features like an eco-friendly design, durable construction, and quick absorption rate, the EasyRing trademark spin mop and bucket system simplifies cleaning tasks and enhances overall hygiene in your home. Number 2. Clean Spin Mop. The EasyRing Rinse Clean Spin Mop, with its innovative 2-tank bucket system, revolutionizes the cleaning process by ensuring the use of fresh water for every rinse, providing a truly deep, clean experience. This hands-free system, featuring a foot-activated pedal and machine-washable microfiber mop head, effectively removes over 99% of bacteria using just water. Designed for all hard floor surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, linoleum, and vinyl, this eco-friendly mop and bucket set offers convenience and efficiency in maintaining a hygienic home environment. The inclusion of PAC's Hard Floor Cleaner enhances the cleaning process, making it even easier to achieve sparkling clean floors. With features like a durable steel pole, synthetic cloth mop head, and quick absorption rate, the EasyRing Rinse Clean Spin Mop provides a seamless and effective solution for your cleaning needs. Number 3. Spin Mop and Bucket Set. The Spin Mop and Bucket Set offers efficient and effortless household cleaning, with its automatic spin mop designed for wooden floor cleaning. Featuring microfiber pads with a wringer for hands-free operation, this set ensures a thorough clean with minimal effort. The practical design and dual drive system prevent manual twisting, saving time and energy, while delivering effective cleaning results. Made of durable materials, including a stainless steel basket, this floor spin mop is long-lasting and resistant to deformation. The soft, detachable fiber cotton mop head effectively removes stubborn stains and adheres to the floor, making mopping effortless. With enhanced mobility from bottom wheels and a spinning mop with wringer, this set provides convenience and keeps hands clean and dry. Enjoy spotless floors and more leisure time with the Spinning Cleaning Mop and Bucket Set by Rochelle from mainland China. Number 4. Mops Floor Cleaning Tools. The Decontamination Mop offers a convenient and efficient cleaning solution for your home. Made of stainless steel, ABS, PP, and fiber cotton, this mop features hand washing and hand dehydration capabilities, with an impressive dehydration rate of 80–90%. It separates clean and dirty water, providing a hands-free washing experience. The efficient centrifugal water-throwing mop saves 30% water and 50% time, making it economical and suitable for cleaning multiple rooms. With a focus on health and hygiene, this mop separates dirt from clean water, ensuring a bacteria-free floor surface. Its innovative design includes a windmill irrigation system with a press-type water outlet for easy flushing and spraying. Equipped with a 360-degree scraper, this mop effectively removes dirt and hair, offering a deep cleaning experience. The lightweight and ergonomic design, along with a 360 degrees rotary head, allows for easy maneuverability and thorough cleaning, saving you time and effort. Experience the convenience and effectiveness of the Decontamination Mop by Lazyish House from mainland China. Number 5. Rotary Mop and Bucket System. The EasyRing trademark Spin Mop and Bucket System offers a convenient and effective cleaning solution for your home. Featuring a foot-activated pedal and built-in bucket wringer, this system allows for hands-free wringing and controlled water release, making cleaning a breeze. Complete with a telescopic handle and microfiber mop head, this multi-purpose system removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. Or you can use your favorite floor cleaning solution for added freshness. The system is designed to effortlessly remove dirt and grime, providing a deeper clean for your floors. For enhanced cleaning results, you can use the Easy Ring system with o-cedar Pack's Hard Floor Cleaner, which contains deep cleaning enzymes for a thorough clean. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Easy Ring trademark Spin Mop and Bucket System by CZSAE, originating from the US.